Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the MacBook Air is stable and you're not interrupting a disk write. Sudden pulls can corrupt data. Once done, place the machine on a flat surface and use one hand to steady the case. With the other, grip the charger head, not the cable, at the connector. You do this because the cable flex point is weakest. Gripping the head directs force correctly. If you see a retaining latch or textured edge, note its orientation before proceeding. You now remove the connector using controlled motion so contacts disengage cleanly. For MagSafe models, pull straight away from the port without twisting. The magnet will release. For USB-C, keep the connector aligned and pull straight back with steady, even force so pins separate without bending. If the plug feels stuck, gently rock it side to side a few millimeters while pulling. This equalizes friction. Make sure to keep the laptop supported. Slipping you're finishing by visually checking both connector and port. Remove lint with compressed air and look for bent pins or foreign objects. If the charger won't release, power the MacBook off, wait 30 seconds, then try again. Sometimes magnet alignment or internal tension eases when powered down. If you still can't detach it, stop applying force. Excessive force risks port damage. Instead, try a different known good charger or contact service. Replacing frayed cables prevents repeats and protects the MacBook.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.